What's up YouTube? It's Dougie from Diamond D Outdoors. We all know tricks for starting campfires. The flint and magnesium, drier lint. But today, I'm going to show you something maybe you haven't seen. Fritos. Alright, so the first thing we do, nice pile of Fritos. We're going to build a log cabin. So the goal here is to have two boards, two logs, running front to back, two side to side. Makes a log cabin, Abe Lincoln style. So then once we have that set up, we'll take our flat pieces, set those up top. I'll put one piece in there, just kind of for good measure, all right? So now, we light the Fritos. So the reason why this works is the Fritos are fried in oil. So that oil is quite flammable and it'll keep the fire burning. It'll keep the fire burning for a good amount of time. Alright, so the only thing that we have to do at this point is just light the Fritos, make sure they're lit good. I think it is, and we wait. Alright, roughly 9 minutes in, we've got a full-blown fire. I think Fritos works. Alright, like, subscribe, check us out on Facebook, graphic below. See you later.